Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to increase Jio Airfiber speed. First, let's ensure your current plan aligns with your speed needs. Many speed issues stem from basic checks. Begin by restarting your Jio Airfiber device and all connected gadgets. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches, giving your network a fresh start. Also, ensure your Airfiber unit is placed in an open, central location, free from physical barriers that might impede its signal. These initial steps are crucial for a stable connection. Optimizing your device's physical placement significantly impacts performance. Try positioning your Jio Airfiber unit near a window, as this can greatly improve its signal reception from the cellular tower. Elevating the device, perhaps by a few feet, helps reduce interference from ground-level obstacles and other household items. Remember to keep it away from large metal objects, thick walls, or other electronic devices that might cause signal disruption. A clear line of sight is key for maximum speed. Next, let's look at your network settings. The Jio Home app can be a powerful tool for optimizing your connection, allowing you to check for and select the most optimal Wi-Fi channels, which can reduce interference. Also, consider how many devices are actively connected. Disconnecting unused gadgets frees up valuable bandwidth, ensuring your primary devices get the speed they need. For critical tasks like gaming or streaming, a wired Ethernet connection often provides a more stable and faster experience than Wi-Fi. Finally, let's cover some advanced tips and when to seek help. Regularly updating your Jio Airfiber device's firmware is crucial, as these updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. Also, be mindful of background data usage on all connected devices. Apps running in the background can consume significant bandwidth. If after trying all these steps, your speed issues persist, do not hesitate to contact Jio customer support. They can provide personalized diagnostics and further assistance to resolve your concerns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.